What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go with our friend Turbo. Nice push to the upside. We broke our bullish level, so we're sitting at 0.05567, up 3.2 on the day. Market cap 354 million. 24-hour volume 149 million. So if we take a look at the chart for Turbo, we broke that bullish level that I was talking about. So now we have a nice impulse to the upside. Looking for a wave 2 pullback. If we do pull into this zone, I'll likely look to take a long trade. Signal will be given in the Discord. You can get completely free access to my trade signals at the end of the video. As you can see here, we have a bit of a bearish divergence, and now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. So I wouldn't be surprised for Turbo to pull back in a wave 2 in between 0.00408 and 0.0048022. Before continuation. If we continue to push to the upside from here, the impulse simply isn't complete, but we do have bullish engulfing candles, so I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit more pullback before continuation, and could offer a beautiful long trade. As you guys know, if you've been following with the videos, we have our wave 3 target based off Fibonacci, which is up here at 0.01987. So that's your next long-term target for the wave 3, which is the biggest wave in the Elliott wave theory. But in the short term, we broke that bullish level. We have a nice impulse. So if we do end up pulling back into the zone, that's a good opportunity to take a long trade. I'll give a signal in the Discord to ride it up for that smaller wave 3. That's what I'm looking at for Turbo. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitinix. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. My subscribers only get 10% back on every single trade on their fees. Once you make your first deposit, can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Send me email. You'll find it in the description. And I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as regular daily Forex signals. All links down below. Go check it out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.